कि करंट पोजीशनिंग क्या है इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट इज द करंट पोजीशनिंग ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री एंड वेयर इज इट हेडेड, कहाँ जा रही है। मतलब हमने एक सर्वे आपने सुना होगा, सभी ने वो सुना होता है, केपीएमजी फिक्की का सर्वे हुआ था, विच हैज प्रिडिक्टेड कि 2025 में हिंदुस्तान की जो इंडस्ट्री है वो 64,500 करोड़ जाएगी। लेकिन मैं बहुत सारे और लोगों को सुनता हूँ जो कि उससे अलग राइट में, आप क्या बोलते हैं कि 64,500 जाएगी या इसी रेट पे ग्रो करेगी, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम एज एन इंडस्ट्री?
Firstly, thank you, sir, and I would really like to appreciate Dr. Kamal, Mr. Chetan, Mr. Abhishek, and Mr. Taran for making tremendous effort to promote the direct selling industry. And now coming to the question, sir, direct selling industry is obviously growing. See, at the time of the COVID, when no industry was growing, we are the only industry which has doubled the sales figure, doubled the registrations. If we talk about the direct selling industry, this is the only industry where there is a care, the people care about each other, the company cares about the people. We give them the positive environment, we give them the environment to work better. And the secondly, the services involved in the direct selling are tremendous, because you take care of the leader also, you take care for the company also, you take care for your outlet, and even the small customer associated with you. And the third thing is, in India now the trend has been changed. Now people are taking direct selling as a career very seriously. They are taking as a profession very seriously. Moreover, the guidelines has been issued by the government of India, which has helped us in promoting this industry. And this industry has a lot of quality products. Everybody launches quality products, and India needs quality today. India moves on the quality today. India trends on the quality. So in the past, people doesn't believe in the direct selling concept, and moreover, there were fraudulent companies, there were, Ponzi schemes, which have not only impact the life of the direct seller, but also impacted our goodwill also. But now, in future, I think direct selling will grow, direct selling will boom, and within a short span of time, we are going to be the largest market in the direct seller with highest sales figure and highest net worth. Thank you.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट। सो 64,500 करोड़ से ऊपर जाएंगे 2025 में, आपका अंदाजा क्या है या कम है?
बिल्कुल सर, हम 64,500 करोड़ से बहुत ऊपर जाएंगे। जो भी ये गाइडलाइंस आई हैं, इसके कारण ये इंडस्ट्री इतनी बूम हो चुकी है, लोग इसको इतना सीरियस ले चुके हैं कि आज के टाइम पे अगर मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन की बात करूँ या सेल्स की बात करूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ चुकी है। हमारा ग्रोथ रेट मतलब 30 to 40% इंक्रीज हो रहा है। तो अगर आने वाले टाइम में देखा जाए तो ये 64,500 नहीं, ये लगभग 1 लाख से 2 लाख करोड़ तक की क्लोजिंग 2025 तक करेंगे।
वाह, तो मतलब परफेक्टली ज़बरदस्त आपका कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है डायरेक्ट सेलिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी और आपकी अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी। रफीक जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, 13,000 करोड़ के आसपास की अभी इंडिया की मार्केट है, और अगर हम टॉप सेलर्स की बात करें, यूएस की, चाइना की बात करें, तो 2.5 लाख करोड़ से ऊपर की उनकी मार्केट है। पॉपुलेशन की बात करें तो चाइना के साथ ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है ऑफिशियली, और यूएस तो 1/4 है हमसे। लेकिन हिंदुस्तान में 13,000 करोड़, वहां पर 2.5 लाख करोड़। क्या आपको लगता है कि कुछ आने वाले समय में हम कहां जा रहे हैं?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Kamal. Thank you, Mr. Chetan, for the wonderful initiation. Yes, I totally agree with Mr. Abhishek also, and for sure, direct selling is going to grow because India is a sleeping giant. एक चीज हम इंडिया का पास है, दूसरा कंट्री का पास नहीं है, वो है पॉपुलेशन. Okay, and for direct selling industry, it is the raw material. When the population is there, and now it's a sleeping giant. We will see in the future to come, next 4 to 5 years, they explore what is going to happen in this industry, because now you see this COVID or this situation, the COVID, which has put the pressure on the entire economy, and we have seen how we have survived this one, and we have won the situation, won the war of this COVID. So what this COVID has created is, it has created a huge demand, especially for the direct selling industry in the two areas. Number one, it has created the need of the health and the antivirus. It has created the antivirus for the health. It has created the antivirus need for the finance sector. Okay, so now we know there's a coronavirus, but we don't know tomorrow what virus will come. But people understood whatever the virus may come, The only thing what we need to understand is we have to empower ourselves with a good immune system. And when we talk about immune system, a proper health food supplement and a proper nutritional product will play a very vital role. And you can see in the direct selling industry, most of the companies are very strong in this area. So one is on creating a immunity to ourselves, and second is on creating the immunity of our finance. Now people are talking about an ongoing income, an extra income, a secondary income. At the previous COVID, people don't have that much thought. People are comfortable with their job, people are comfortable with their business. But now it has shaken the truth. It has shaken everybody, and people are looking to have a secondary income. And the direct selling industry is the industry which can cater these two things. Number one, for the immunity of your health and for the immunity of our finance. Okay, so the direct selling industry can give the perfect solution. And the thing is, people actually don't know the real opportunity what this industry can give. So it is now the role we need to play as a direct sellers, as a company, and as a direct sellers, as a distributors. We need to reach them, and we have to create this awareness. And for sure, with the strength what we are having, we will go far behind the growth what we are expecting.
परफेक्ट सर, परफेक्ट. तो बड़ी अच्छी आपने एक बात की कि इम्यूनिटी की बात तो सभी कर रहे हैं आज के लिए. सारे जितने भी लोग हैं, हम पहले डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट सेलिंग हैज बीन एसोसिएटेड विद health and health supplements since ages, and probably we were the ones who were like, direct selling was the one which introduced the concept of nutrition supplements to the world. So we're talking way back in like 1935 when Nutralite was born, and Carl Weinberg laid the foundation for the supplements. And so since then, direct selling community has been promoting health supplements, and now there's a talk around immunity everywhere. Now people realize the importance. And the second important point that you raised was immunity of finance. So this is something that I'm listening for the first time, and I perfectly align with your thought that immunity of finance is very required. So not only security in terms of physical fitness, but security in terms of your financial fitness as well, so financial status as well. So COVID has given us a message that we need to have some other stream of income which is dependable. Shishirji, your thoughts on this?
First of all, thank you, Dr. Kabral and Chetan, for organizing such a forum. I have witnessed last 2 series and it's amazing. So, कि जितना value add कर रहा है direct sellers के लिए and to us as an organization, really commendable. Now coming to your question, I think I'll echo what Abhishek and Rafiq they have said. इस इंडस्ट्री को जब आप 65,000 करोड़ की बात करते हैं, 13,000 करोड़ से 65,000 करोड़ जाने के लिए, we are talking about a 5 times increase in 5 years, right? And if I have to look at what has happened now, post this situation, it will be a new world, right? The way I look at direct selling moving is, it will move from a stage of unawareness, जहाँ पर हमें लोगों को बहुत समझाना पड़ता था कि direct selling क्या है, immunity क्या है, product क्या है. So from a stage of unawareness, we have moved to a stage of abundance, right? So now we have a lot of people who have understood that secondary income नाम की कोई चीज होती है. आज इस uncertainty के time में relying on just one income, I don't think anybody will agree across the globe. So the need to have a secondary income has grown. Number 2, people have realized that health is all about prevention. वो अब वो समय नहीं है जब तुम सोचेंगे कि हम जब बीमार होंगे तब ठीक होंगे, बिकॉज इस सिचुएशन ने हमें बताया है कि अगर आप बीमार होंगे तो फ्यूचर में जिस तरह से डिजीज या जिस तरह से पोल्यूशन या बाकी चीजें ग्रो कर रही हैं, तो आप बीमार होने के बाद ठीक नहीं हो पाएंगे. आपको हमेशा ठीक रहना पड़ेगा और बीमार होने से बचना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज वेयर डायरेक्ट सेलिंग प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल. सो देयर इज एन इंक्रीज अवेयरनेस, देयर इज अ नीड for more money to come into everyone's pocket, and yes, there is a definite need to increase my immunity against any such issue. So growing 5 times in 5 years, I think it's a small target that we have taken, Dr. Kamal. Let's talk more, let's talk bigger numbers. So I totally echo what Abhishek and Rafiq have said.
Perfect, sir. So whenever I start, probably I mentioned it yesterday to you that I've started a course called Network Marketing in my university, and when I start for the first, when a new set of students come and my first lecture, so every time I say what you are saying right now, तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि हर एक घर में आज के समय में हिंदुस्तान में हर एक घर में दो चीजें हैं, एक बीमारी है, एक बेरोजगारी है। तो बीमारी भी किसी ना किसी रूप में है, किसी के घुटने नहीं चल रहे हैं, किसी को बीपी शुगर, these have like become household names. And बेरोजगारी doesn't mean that you are unemployed. बेरोजगारी means कि कहीं ना कहीं हम compromise करते हैं पैसे से। So we're not at that level wherein we can say that I do not need more money, right? So most of the families in India, तो मैं बोलता हूँ डायरेक्ट सेलिंग के पास, और इसीलिए मैं डायरेक्ट सेलिंग के लिए इतना पैशनेट भी हूँ, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट सेलिंग के पास दोनों चीजों का इलाज है। डायरेक्ट सेलिंग बीमारी को भी भगाने जाती है, बेरोजगारी को भी भगाने जाती है। मिस्टर विंस्टन, all of the esteemed panelists have talked about India being a sleeping giant, right? So it has taken us like 20 years to reach a stage of 13,000 crores. But now, as per all the resources, whatever I have researched through, जो भी कोई उसके ऊपर रिसर्च हो रही है, जहाँ पर भी कुछ स्पेकुलेशन हो रही है, कुछ भी जो कंसल्टेंसीज हैं, कुछ रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं, so everyone is suggesting that by 2025, so we would be close to 1 lakh crores. So what are your thoughts on that?
Thank you, Dr. Kamal and my co-panelists. It's a great, I would say, to get together here, and I must thank IBSA for motivating this. It's a great platform, and your direct talk is something very interesting. At the same time, it conveys a lot of message in the present circumstances and how to take India to the next level. See, I would just share a little of my experience. I was an industrialist for the past 40 years. I've done various type of industries. Plus, I was an entrepreneur, also having many agencies, like in automobiles, steel, you name a dozen of those type of businesses. And as an entrepreneur and an industrialist, it is not easy to just get yourself established. You've got to put in a lot of efforts, time, money, gestation period, etc. You might be surprised as to after me being an industrialist why I took up this directorship with energy. It's a little intriguing because there was two things. After a period of time, all of us in life look forward to something that we can give to fellow human beings, the country, etc. And I felt that there was a time, and the type of product which also I chose was something to do with wellness, and I think that was the need of the hour. And though I had a lot of links with the other direct selling companies like Amway, just to give you a name, I knew them all, and I was interested, but unfortunately I couldn't understand the business at that time. And this, after a period of say 30, 40 years, I took a thought of trying to do what my mind told me. There's a passion. So like that, I took up this, and then I was new to direct selling. I didn't know, because we used to do everything in a very organized way. We had different departments and training programs.
कोई लोग आप देखो कि न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स का कहीं रेस चल रहा था, कहीं कुछ चल रहा था, and then there was just small virus, right? तो मैं कहीं एक रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा था, and it said कि जितने भी दुनिया में लोग इन्फेक्टेड हुए हैं वायरस से, अगर उस वायरस का टोटल वेट ले ले तो वो 2.8 ग्राम्स है। तो टोटल वेट ऑफ 2.8 ग्राम्स has put the humanity on the knees. इसमें सारे लोग अब न्यूक्लियर वेपन से मार सकते हो तो मार लो वायरस को, नहीं मार सकते, है ना? तो वायरस ने बड़ा कुछ सिखाया है, और कम से कम आप ये देख सकते हो कि टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रंट पे तो जो आज से 5 साल बाद कम से कम जो चीजें होनी थी वो आज होनी शुरू हो गई है। जूम पहले भी था, लेकिन जूम पे मतलब कितना हम इसको यूटिलाइज करते थे। एंड इन टुडेज सिनेरियो ऑल ऑफ अस आर सिटिंग एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस। डिजिटलाइजेशन ने सबको इतना, दुनिया को पूरी, एज राइटली सेड बाय मिस्टर टैन आल्सो, इट हैज ब्रॉट द वर्ल्ड टुगेदर। सो नाउ इफ इट इज टाइम फॉर organizations to scale up to international levels, it's now. What is your take on digitalization? It has been observed that direct selling still has not made a mark at the upper middle class or upper class of the society, right? So again, it is a profession which is not looked up upon. Like if anyone says that I am a direct seller, so people would generally ask कि अच्छा चलो वो तो ठीक है, पर और क्या करते हो, है ना? So it has not reached that level. And so would this technology intervention, I would say, would it like help direct selling to grow into that unscaled territory?
Absolutely, Dr. Kamal, and like Rafiq said, so I have a couple of points on this. Number one, I strongly feel that technology and direct selling is a perfect fit, right? And one example is what we have been seeing last 2 weeks and what we'll see in next 4 weeks. All the companies coming on one platform, talking about one business to everybody who's involved in direct selling. Imagine अगर ये हमें offline करना पड़ता, just impossible. Right? So our business is boundaryless. The I may be a distributor sitting in Bangalore, but I may have a downline who understands Kannada and resides in Guwahati. So today what these Zoom training sessions have done is, earlier it was not possible.
And I feel the
invite people and say कि हम एक scheme के बारे में आपको बता दें. This is a full-blown business which has potential to multiply. So that's one thing which I'd like to advise the people who are listening today. Second thing is have a long-term perspective. End of the day, this is a business. Imagine करिए अगर हमें बिजनेस खोलने के लिए एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट लगाना पड़ता, बहुत से लोगों को एम्प्लॉय करना पड़ता, तो क्या हम 2 महीने में ब्रेक इवन कर जाते? क्या हम 3 महीने में ब्रेक इवन कर जाते? एंड अगर हमारा गोल बड़ा है, अगर हमारा पैशन बहुत बड़ा है, तो हमारे पास एक पेशेंस भी चीज़ है जो बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. एंड हमें ये इंश्योर करना है कि क्या मेरा ये महीना पिछले महीने से बेहतर है, एंड आई हैव अ लॉन्ग टर्म गोल.
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना ही बोलना चाहूँगा कि अभी क्या हो रहा है कि मोस्टली अगर एवरी थर्ड या फोर्थ पर्सन इज,
that is what I would say to my